Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you about this great suitcase that I picked up off of Amazon. Recently went to go visit my son and his family in another state for about 10 days, and I was able to pack everything that I needed in this plus a small backpack. I love how many pockets it has on it. I didn't even use all of these. I don't think I even unzipped them at all, but this one opens all the way, so that's nice. So you can fit lots of stuff in there. You can fit pens and small stuff in here. And then there's another pocket right here. But what I really liked most about it, and the reason I wanted this case, was not only to have a hard-sided, but also an easy way to take my laptop with me. Because I used to carry it in my back pocket and it just got really heavy. So I can carry my laptop in here, I can put a tablet in here or my phone or whatever, and it actually opens up. If you undo the Velcro here, it'll open up flat. So that became really, I had to do this one-handed. That was very handy at the airport when I was waiting for my flight. It has the expandable, can't do it one-handed, expandable handle here. So that's really cool. And then it is also expandable. So if you undo this zipper, it expands the case. But let's just take a look at the inside. So on the inside, you have this compartment that completely zips. And what I did was I packed all my stuff in vacuum bags, and I was able to fit 10 days worth of outfits. Jeans, sweats, long sleeve shirts, everything I needed went on this side. And what I did was I tucked like socks and underwear in these spaces here. So that was very handy. It does have this waterproof section that you can put wet stuff in. And then you also have this side. And I was able to fit another vacuum bag and some additional stuff here. And then what I did is I put my power bank here. So I could put my power bank in here, and then I was able to charge my cell phone from on top here. Come on, little guy. Come out of there. Wait, it's right there. Just having trouble getting it out. There it is. Okay, so there's your USB plug so that you can charge on the go. It also has TSA-approved combination lock. I used it as a carry-on, so I didn't lock it. But this was just the easiest to use rolling around the airport. The wheels move very easily. They're hard, but they've got a little bit of a rubber coating to them. I really, really, really like this suitcase. And I know that it comes in several different colors. So if you're in the market for a new suitcase, I love this bag. It's perfect for carry-on. Thanks for watching.